How to install new themes for Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be installing new themes for our Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a Windows 10 or Windows 11, all you have to do is to just go ahead and then open up your Microsoft Store, and then in the search bar, which is at the very top of the screen, you just want to search for an application called Pantone. So let us wait until this Microsoft Store has loaded up. So basically in the search box, just go ahead and then type in Pantone over here. So once you type in Pantone, you can see Pantone color of the year 2022. Now this also works if you're in 2023 or anything. So I'm just going to click on the get button, and I'm going to wait until the installation process for this application has been complete. So you can see the app has been downloaded. Now you can just go ahead and then open it, and then you'll see all this type of information. So you can see current theme, and you can also choose a desktop theme. So in this case, I'll just go to personalization and then go to the option called theme, and then here I'll just select the new theme over here, which is basically save, or I can go ahead and simply choose a theme from here. So I'll just go to Pantone theme in this case. So these are the themes that you get. Choose a combination of wallpaper, sound and colors together, give your desktop more personality. You can just select any of the random themes in this case, and after that the Pantone theme will be successfully applied to your PC. This is simply how you can apply Pantone theme to your PC and get new themes. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.